After the recent leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 feels more real than ever, even though we're a little over 1 month away from its expected official unveiling at Unpacked. By the sound of it, some aspects got better, while others have not. And to add to that excitement, we also got our first look into the official leaked press renders of the devices. Now to stir the hype pot, we have some details about the foldable phone's price and its screen brightness, and it seems like the flagship Galaxy Fold 5 will see some respite in its pricing. We've now got a sense of how much the device could cost, thanks to leaks from Twitter user Revegnis. Though they clarify in a second tweet that this is only an initial plan that could still change, Revegnis claims that the Galaxy Fold 5 will see a slight reduction in price, while the Flip 5 will stay at the same price as its predecessor. Samsung would be quite cunning to drop the price of its foldable, even if only by $100 to $200. For the first time, the Galaxy Z Fold series has a competitor in the US market in the form of the Google Pixel Fold, which sells for $1,799 like the Fold 4. Undercutting the newcomer would help draw users interested in buying a foldable to Samsung. Lowering the base price would also help offset what's otherwise looking like a rather small upgrade for the Galaxy Fold 5 compared to last year. The biggest rumored changes are updated camera sensors, but no size or resolution change, and a lighter and dust-resistant hinge that will reduce the inner display crease and fold the phone without leaving a gap in the middle. These sound like good upgrades to make, but it would probably be hard to sell the Z Fold 5 on these alone. Meanwhile, according to some new bits of information, foldable screen brightness falls in the latter category. A Fold 5 specs roundup by Omniquator reminds us of several hardware characteristics of the upcoming device and also seems to reveal at least one extra detail concerning the foldable panel's brightness. Namely, the Galaxy Fold 5's 7.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel will have a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate and reach 1200 nits of brightness, just like the ongoing Galaxy Fold 4. It's unclear if the cover screen got any brighter, but its dimensions and other specs appear to be the same. 6.2-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, 48 to 120 Hz. Also unchanged seems to be a camera system. Apparently, the main setup comprises a 50 megapixels primary, 10 megapixels telephoto, and 12 megapixels ultra-wide units. Then the foldable panel hides a 4 megapixels under-display camera, while the cover screen has a 10 megapixels selfie sensor embedded into it. The device should be powered by a 4,400 mAh dual battery with 25 watts charging, similar to the Galaxy Fold 4. But the batteries will be easier to replace. Although things appear same so far, some aspects about the Galaxy Z Fold series have changed for the better. Everyone expects the upcoming foldable phone to be powered by the newer Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This SoC is wrapped in a foldable body that is held together by an improved hinge. It will allow the phone to fold flat and should offer a superior flex mode experience. This mix of old and new might make the Fold 5 a hard sell for existing Fold 4 users who don't have access to the best trade-in values. But at the very least, the upcoming model should be an interesting upgrade for Fold 3 users. Time will tell. Samsung should unveil the device on July 27. So what are your thoughts on the screen brightness of the upcoming Galaxy Fold 5 from Samsung? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoy the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.